Hey, what's up guys? Just making a video regarding Lordhair. My hair is like this because I was just swimming in the sea, so you're going to see that later in the video, the water test and swimming and how it holds up. But yeah, there's just a few things I'd like to talk about. So back in 2018, my hair started falling out and it got really concerning because my confidence dropped. I didn't want to see anyone, I didn't want to go out with anyone, I'd wear hats all the time and I felt really embarrassed. Whenever I went to meet a girl or, you know, anyone in that particular, I would be afraid to take off my hat, I'd be afraid to show my hairline. I'd even cover, you know, the hairline with makeup, with sprays, and you know, it just really did not work. So then I went to a hair place and they said that my hair follicles were falling out at a rapid pace. So they offered to do a hair transplant for £5,000, in which I then rejected because they told me that there's a higher percent chance of my hair falling out after the transplant due to how young I am. So I did a little bit of research and I found this place called Lordhair. Now, I was a bit skeptical about it at start, but I then ordered a hair system and I had a professional put it on for me, and it felt really weird to start with, knowing that I've never had that kind of thickness of hair, and I had a perfect hairline. It felt amazing, but yeah, I was a bit skeptical at the start. However, after about a day or two of having it on, after a lot of compliments, I felt really confident in my own skin, you know, going out, I felt great about myself, and just, you know, overall, meeting people, I felt really confident, you know, having the hair I had and, you know, just embracing it and realizing that you know, there is things you can do apart from getting a hair transplant, and Lordhair has definitely saved my, you know, confidence for sure. But there's nothing wrong, you know, obviously being bald, and if you want to embrace that, then you can, like I do. However, Lordhair is such a great place to get a hair system, and you know, if you want to try something new, definitely recommend the store there. So I'm just going to put in a clip of me just swimming in the sea, and yeah, thank you.
So I just went for a swim in the sea, and the hair system's intact, no issues, no problems, looks perfect. This is why I would recommend Lordhair. The hairline is totally unnoticeable. But yeah.